Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I have with me the brand new iPad Pro. Here with me is the 11-inch model. Tanner also is doing an unboxing of the 12.9-inch model. But here we are guys, just got back from the UPS store, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Look at that. We even have a little tab right there on the actual FedEx packaging. And within it we have the iPad Pro. Interesting way of packaging this guy, but wow, look at that. There we have it guys, that is the official box from Apple. No knife even required this time around. Anyway, let's get into unboxing this guy. I'm super excited. Just the front of that looks absolutely incredible. Sides are pretty simplistic, just saying iPad Pro with an Apple logo. And then on the back, we just have some information of what this guy is right here. Not sure why my autofocus isn't working, but we'll have to figure that out in a little bit. Anyway, just got a new camera today as well, so we're playing around with that in any sense. There it is, guys. Where is that tab? This tab right here. Just go ahead and peel that guy open. And just going in a full circle. Oh, it broke off, but we can just peel this initial plastic off the side of it right there. And I'm never actually unboxed an iPad before, but in any case, I think we just lift it up from the top right here and let the bottom slide right down. Let's see exactly what happens. There we go. Setting that guy aside. Right on top, we have the iPad Pro, and wow, this guy is super light, but that looks incredible. Let's go ahead and put this off to the side real fast and just get what's inside the box taken care of. Again, we just have our typical informational packets. Let's see what's inside here real fast. Warranty information, and then just a quick get started guide. And look at that, it even has Face ID, talked about right on the first one right there. So pretty standard stuff. I'm surprised, no Apple stickers included with this, unfortunately. And then right below, we just have a USB-C charging brick right there, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable right there, because the iPad now has USB-C. It no longer has the lightning port on the very bottom right there. But here comes the moment of truth, guys. Let's go ahead and peel the wrapper off. And there it is, guys. Wow. So it looks like to turn it on, we got a little power button at the top right there. But there we are, we're getting started. Again, USB-C at the very bottom, looks like 2 speakers right there, 2 speakers on the top. We have a single lens camera on the back, but it is a much larger lens. Reminds me somewhat of the iPhone XR. We have the antenna band right here. Actually, I'm not sure if that's an antenna band because this is just the Wi-Fi model right here. But then we have the smart connector right there. All in all, this looks absolutely beautiful. But there it is, guys, full edge-to-edge display. That looks absolutely fantastic. Honestly, this is one of the sharpest iPads I've ever held. It's super light. I was not expecting that. And there we go. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Swiping up to get started. Let's go ahead and select English, United States. And wow, that ProMotion display looks absolutely fantastic. Let me go ahead and set up manually and scroll through the thousands of different Wi-Fi networks until I get to mine. That's what you get for living in an apartment, I guess, just a ton of Wi-Fi connections, or a ton of Wi-Fi networks right there. But yeah, look at the status bar already. That looks super sharp. The time is up in the top left, battery and Wi-Fi connectivity in the top right. We have the date right next to the time right there. Again, sorry about the autofocus, not sure what's going on there, but again, I'm just going to skip through some of these settings. Actually, you know what? I'll go ahead and set up Face ID. Let's go ahead and click Continue. And here is Face ID on the iPad Pro. Let's go ahead and get started. And we'll center my face. And I'll just start to move my face right around. Sorry, I have to do this kind of off camera. The camera is right in the way. But there we go, guys. Face ID has been set up. And we'll enter a passcode. I'm just going to do a very simple passcode for demonstration purposes and re-enter the passcode once more. And then we can restore from a backup. Since I've never had an iPad before, I'm going to set up as a new iPad. I'll go ahead and quickly enter my Apple ID information right here. And then I'll allow my iCloud to sign in. Got a verification text. And now it looks like it's just going to take a few minutes to finish setting up the iPad, but that is pretty much it, guys. That is the unboxing and initial setup of the iPad. There's probably a couple more steps, but all in all, this device looks absolutely incredible. I'm super excited to start using it. Again, we have Face ID right up in the top, no notch required. I love this aspect of full edge-to-edge display, no more home button. This is what an iPad honestly is supposed to feel like. This looks absolutely incredible. It's super easy to grip and hold on to with these a lot flatter edges, I guess. But yeah, all in all, this looks absolutely incredible. I'm super excited to see the home screen here in just a second. I'm just going to go ahead and skip through the rest of these on-screen steps right here. I really just wanted to check out Face ID. Interesting. I don't know if it's the iPad or my internet connection or what, but it seems to be taking a little bit of time to go through some of these steps. But it looks like we're setting up Apple Pay Cash now. And again, just going through most of the on-screen steps of setting up Apple Pay, setting up Siri if you want to, setting up screen time, app analytics, True Tone display. And here is finally some of the quick suggestions, and we should be able to go home right there. Welcome to iPad, guys. Swipe up to get started. There we have it, guys. That is the iPad Pro. And wow, that looks absolutely fantastic. Again, here it is in portrait mode. Honestly, I am super impressed. I really wasn't going to keep this guy, but wow. Man, this is just beautiful. I might have to give this guy a chance right here. I'll allow my location for weather and stuff like that, but man. Anyway, there it is, guys. First couple things I definitely would suggest to do. Definitely check if there's any software updates. It looks like this guy shipped on iOS 12.1, so it's fully up to date. Definitely sign into iCloud and set up Face ID and set up a passcode and all that just to get started. And then get on your way to installing apps. But there we have it, guys. That is the iPad Pro in the 10.5-inch model. Definitely check out Tanner's video for the 12.9-inch model. That one looks absolutely fantastic. Honestly, this feels rather small compared to what old iPads used to feel like. I could honestly easily use a 12.9-inch model. I just got the 10.5, or excuse me, the 11-inch model this time around just to do an unboxing of this. And first impressions, this looks absolutely gorgeous. Again, control center right there. Not too big of a fan of how they got rid of the control center and multitasking mix, but the gestures seem super native and super easy to use. No more of this like 4-finger crap to close apps. Maybe actually, oh yeah, you can. Oh, that goes into multitasking. Interesting. All right, well, as you guys can see, I'm a bit rusty with my iPad gestures, but I'll have to go ahead and learn those once again. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. Again, stay tuned. We have this iPad unboxing. We have the 12.9-inch iPad unboxing. We're also going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro Air that just launched today, as well as the Mac Mini. So a full day of videos to come. Stick around and definitely subscribe if you want to see more unboxings just like this one. Anyway, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. But until next time, guys, this is Tony, signing out.